Photos are in 2 hours. We're still shopping.
Let's figure it out.
Pulling it now. 3 in a car, 1 in a truck.
Valuable and adding value for your clients.
We're packing for the whole day right now. We've got 2 installs and a pack-up. Majority of the pack-up is going to our second install, so we've only got a handful of things to go on for that one. But yeah, we're loading up for the whole day, and we should be only have to come back here at the end of it when we're all finished. Jake, what was the trivia question you asked us in the team meeting? How many installs have we done, Foxy Home Staging, over about 2 years since we started? And I think most people got pretty good, pretty close. The answer was 368. After today, 370. So where's this first install?
The first install this morning is in Korea.
And are you lead stylist for this one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a good one then?
Yeah. Should be out pretty quickly. We're only doing 1 of each space, and we have some of the clients and whatnot to work with. So
yeah.
It shouldn't take us too long.
$59, do it. Go for it, but you'll need 8 chairs.
We need 8 chairs. Yeah, okay.
Look, and they can just stay together as a set.
Yep, okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Lots of quotes, lots of jobs booking in today. We went to a pack-up, so we sometimes take furniture from a pack-up to an install, and that's what was the plan today. Get there and the outdoor lounge is broken. So had to hustle and come up with a solution. So lots of end of financial year sales, so we're going to buy a new outdoor dining setting and compromising.
If you come through here is the main living, dining and kitchen. So they've just renovated this beautiful kitchen. We've got all the accessories ready to put on some furniture when it arrives. And then you've got this massive living dining. So another place she's asked us to focus on, just to help people see how big it is and what you can actually fit in, because without any furniture it looks quite big and overwhelming, but I think once we put some furniture in it, it will start to really make sense. So this was another spot that she asked us to focus on. You've got this quite wide hallway which can make things seem a little bit confusing to buyers. So today we're going to be adding a sofa and a coffee table up in this space, and then we're going to have a beautiful console table along the hallway, showing what you can do with the space.
Alright, so it's been a couple of weeks since we've had a Foxy Home Staging Insider, so here's the next instalment.
We style all homes. It doesn't matter if there's kids or pets, which is a little bit different to what I see on the Facebook group. We don't take a bond. We have very high level insurance. It's easier for us, again, to remove that barrier, to get the business across the line, to style a property. And but to be honest, we've had properties that have had cats. We've had properties with dogs and children. The children of normally shift off to grandmas because their mum and dad become too worried about keeping the property styled and making it look perfect with all of the cushions and the accessories. So the properties that have had kids, we've found that generally they don't end up staying there. The properties with animals, the owners go over and above to make sure that the animals actually aren't in the rooms. So, and maybe we're fortunate, and maybe we will have those clients that do come up in the future that aren't as caring. But we find that when it comes back from those properties, a lot of our stuff's been more cared for than sometimes in at homes with just 2 adults. The only time I have charged a bond, we've styled a couple of tenanted properties, and we get the tenants to sign a contract, and then there's a bond put on by the owners who are selling in case the tenants just destroy any property. Both those scenarios, the full bond's been refunded. But we do just as many occupied as we do vacant properties here in Brisbane. So they're more affordable. It makes for a nicer homely feel once it's styled. Just to give everybody the opportunity to have their home styled to some element, that sits with the way that we want to do our business more so than only those who are vacant.
Good morning, Ross.
Morning, mate.
Morning, Jake.
Howdy, hi.
We're getting off the stuff from yesterday's pack-up to make room, and then we're off to another pack-up. So we're just emptying the truck. A little bit of a slower day today, so we'll have some time to do a bit of clean-up and a bit of work in the warehouse. It's been a nice easy day today. Yeah. We had pack-up this morning. We were back at the warehouse by about 11. Actually, it wouldn't have even been that late, and we just had a day here.
It's 10:30.
Catching up on things, cleaning up the warehouse.
How many cups of teas have you drank today?
Not as many as you'd think. Not as many as I would have liked.
We are actually going to put an order in of furniture, which is exciting. Just looking, forecasting ahead, we're going to break some records hopefully in the coming month. So buy some furniture so we can keep up with the demand.
We've not got much on tomorrow. We are at home. It's it's Tuesday night. It's probably 7:15.
In my pajamas.
In your pajamas. Kids are noisy in the background, nearly bedtime. You've just taken 2 business phone calls where you've run out of the house outside where it's quiet. You've gone and done something though.
Yeah.
What happened?
I've looked at, well, this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, we had no jobs on, and we've now got 2 jobs on tomorrow. So 2 installs, 2 bedroom installs that we're going to go ahead and do. One, which is a house. The other one has the worst access we've ever come across. So.
And not one of these jobs we knew nothing about until 5 minutes ago?
Well, we've quoted on it.
Oh, we've quoted?
We've quoted on it, but yeah, we didn't know it was going to. Well, actually, they'd said they were going to go ahead because their cleaning bill went through the roof. So I'd taken it out of the system. So back in the system it goes. So 7:15, we've done no selection, no furniture selections, accessories, artwork, cushions, none of that. Nothing's ready to go. And we've gone from an empty day tomorrow to 2 installs that we now have to plan and execute within about 12 hours. Yeah, and I'm not at the warehouse tomorrow morning. I'm not at the warehouse, I've got GJ. Yeah, go.
Good job.
I made today busy, Cody. I booked in 2 jobs. We one of our selling points, one of our big points is flexibility and fast turnaround, so we can do 24-hour turnaround. This one is less than. And we have no installs on today, so that's why we can make it work. We've got the stock here, so we're going to do 2 installs.
So how much time do you usually take to prepare for installs?
These ones they're quite small, which is why it's easy to do 2. So 1 living space, 1 bedroom each with an outdoor, with a dining. So those particular ones, I think that would take the girls from me selecting through the girls being finished with their accessories and selection, max 2 hours. Okay. So, and then so this Candy and Jenessa here this morning. Cassie's out doing a quote. So I've got a text. Cassie's out doing a quote, so she's not here, but the 2 girls are able here to do those selections and they're going to go do the installs.
We're going to Wickham Terrace right in the city. It's going to be interesting for the truck and access and elevators and everything. And then we're going to pick up some other stuff for the rest of the week from where we hire furniture, and then back here to load up for our second install.
So Jenessa, Phoebe's added a 3rd job for the day.
Yeah.
And it's just accessories, is it?
Yeah.
And I heard you saying before, struggling to find some.
We don't have many accessories left because we've got actually a lot of houses out, and this is now the 3rd pop-up install for today. So.
And I was just having a look. It looks like that's the emptiest the artworks has been.
Yeah.
Since I've seen it.
Linen, it's pretty much the same as well. So.
Fun times.
Yep. Photos are in 2 hours. We're still shopping.
Nearly 3 o'clock and the guys haven't left yet for this second one, so I've decided to get rid of the jeans, chuck the shorts on and go give them a hand. Hey guys, on the road.
Wednesday afternoon. Tell us about today.
Bit crazy in the end.
Easy. This time yesterday it was supposed to be easy.
Yeah.
Nothing on. I stayed at the warehouse.
And we had 3 installs. Woo!
3 installs.
Bit crazy. I had 2 book in last night and then 1 actually book in today. Called at 12:30 with photos at 4:30, but just soft furnishing, so no actual furniture, but in the city, so elevators and all that sort of fun. Girls have done well.
So an install with 4 hours notice. A little install.
3, you got to be there at 3:30.
Little install.
Yeah, little baby install. 3 beds. Another 3 installs tomorrow with the style to stay, so get them in all those boxes. Should be good. And Friday another one in the morning, so we can be on the plane at 12.
Off to the symposium.
Woohoo!